Live. How will the changes in tax laws or tax savings affect your business? Are you aware as a business owner and entrepreneur, CEO, what are the tax laws changes that impact your business? What are the savings that you can, of course, capitalize on when it comes to your business, your company? If you are unsure, you do want to listen in for the next few minutes on our video for this, just for today. So, a lot of times as business owners, entrepreneurs, and CEOs, what I see happening is that taxes are one of the largest expenses that you will face as a business, for sure. As a company, you can never not have taxes, right? So, what is it that will help you to definitely be aware of these changes and also save on these changes? So, for sure, one of the first steps is that you definitely want to be kept aware. You want to have a system in place where you are aware of what the changes are that impact your business and you're being made aware quickly, timely. So that means that one of the first ways to help you is definitely set up a tax plan. And with a tax plan, that means that you are connecting with an expert, a tax preparer, CPA, or other tax expert to help you to figure out what are the changes in the tax laws. How can I save on taxes? What are some things that I need to do? What are some things that those new rules that do apply to me? You definitely want to be aware of all of these changes. So when you're waiting until the end of the year, or you're going to try, say, okay, I'm going to do my taxes myself, or I'm going to just find the cheapest way, that is not very helpful in being aware of the changes that will impact your business. And definitely, as a CEO, as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, you want to be aware of what the changes are and you want to be made aware timely. It's just like if you are going to have a surgery done, like my sons have done multiple surgeries. And what I found was that the first thought that crossed my mind was not, okay, how can I get this done myself? No, I'm thinking about hoping that we get onto the best expert, the best surgeon to really do a great job. So in the same way, you want to be having a system in your business where you are made aware of the changes. And tax laws change all the time. There are going to be changes in deductions that apply to your business, changes in credits. There are going to be changes with the tax bracket that you fall into, the rate at which you're taxed, and so forth and so on. Also, depending on your tax, on your company structure, you are going to have a difference in taxes as well. If you're a sole proprietor, LLC, if you're, limited liability, all that. So that is why it is so important to know, how do these changes impact my business? What does it mean for my company? Does it mean that I need to purchase these items? No. Do I need to invest more in capital equipment? Do I need to lease or buy? You get into all these different strategies as business owners. It can also mean as well, does it mean that it's a better strategy to use contractors or get employees, on board in my team? So all the tax laws changes that will impact your business in some way or another. So it is important that you have a system to be kept aware of the changes, and also that your business, your company, is positioned to take advantage of these changes in the tax laws, these savings, timely. Like, you don't want to know, you don't wait until, okay, a year later, oh, I didn't know this. I didn't know I could have done this. It would have saved me thousands of dollars. I would have chosen a different strategy and so forth. You don't want to be, having these situations in your business, because when you think about it, taxes are, again, one of the largest expenses of your business, right? And you will always have legal ways in which you can pay less taxes, and you want to be aware of those. You are going to have ways in which you can save on taxes, ways in which you can pay less taxes now, or pay, defer taxes. You don't have to pay all the taxes this time. There are lots of strategies. Taxes is a huge, huge, huge area. And that is why it is so important in your business that you do have that connection with a tax expert, a tax advisor to be able to help you in all these various ways in setting up your business the right way. You want to be having a system, a flow where if there's a tax change, your tax preparer, your tax expert is on it for you, and they're, liaising with you, connecting with you right away. This has changed. This will impact your business in this way. You might need to change your strategy. You want to have that relationship so that you are not left in the dark and you're not missing out on opportunities to pay less taxes. So again, I do encourage you as business owners, entrepreneurs, and CEOs that you position your business in that way where you are, working with a tax preparer, a tax advisor, someone who's going to help you to pay less taxes, someone who's going to be able to impact and influence the strategies in your business because you've made those, choices in your business that will position you to pay less taxes. So if you do want to learn more about this, if you're not too sure exactly where to start, definitely you can send me a message and I'll be happy to keep the conversation going with you to help you in choosing that right person. And it can be a CPA. There are other persons who do specialize in taxes and tax preparation as well. It is just finding that person who's going to support your business and enhance your business in the right way, in the direction, of course, where you are ultimately paying less taxes. And in the end, that is one of the key goals of, just about every business owner. You want to be able to pay less taxes, a CEO, entrepreneur, you want to do pay less taxes. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll be signing off now. And of course, if you do have any questions, do let me know. Signing off, it's Kersha Campbell. Bye, guys.